My name is Danko Emmanuel Kendo, and I humbly welcome you to Kentech 96 TV. So, having gone through the concept of Venn diagram, which is a three-set problem, in today's lesson we want to solve the Wassce 2023. The first question was a question under Venn diagram, and this is the question. In a talent hunt competition of 35 artists, they indicated their interest in playing xylophone, flute, and violin. Out of their preferred number, 24 preferred xylophone, 16 flute, and 18 violin. 8 preferred violin only, 2 preferred flute only. Then 6 also preferred only violin. 4 played in all the 3 instruments, whilst 7 preferred xylophone and flute only. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to illustrate the information on a Venn diagram. So this is the past question, which came just last year and was the first question. So let's solve this question. So here, the universal sets. So we are going to indicate our variables. Let U represent the total number of artists. So here our number of U, which is the universal set, the total, would be equal to 35. Then we will also let Z, F, and Venn represent xylophone, flute, violin, respectively. So here we are going to have our number of X, which is xylophone, to be equal to 24. Our number of F to be equal to 16. Then our number of V to be equal to 18. Then number of X only. So number of X only in the question, which is xylophone only, is 8. Number of the flute only from the question is 2. And number of Venn, which is violin only, is 6. Now, 4 played all the 3 instruments, so number of X intersection with F intersection of Venn is 4. Then lastly, number of xylophone and flute. So the artists that preferred only xylophone and flute is 7. So this is the variable in the question, and we are supposed to illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. So let's start with our Venn diagram. Okay, so the variables in the question, we have xylophone, flute, and violin, which is 3 variables. So we are supposed to have 3 circles, which is a 3-set problem. We have 1, 2, 3. You have your box here. So we have our U here, which is the total 35. So this is X, and the total of X is 24. This is F, which is 16, and this is V, violin, which is 8. And when we were looking at the concept of Venn diagram, which is 3 by 3 Venn diagram, we said we should always we should always solve for the overlap. So here represents the artist that preferred all the 3 instruments, and in the question, 4 of the artists are interested or preferred all the 3 instruments. So we have our 4 here. Then this side is xylophone only, and in the question, 8 preferred xylophone only, 2 flute only, then violin is what? 6. Then 7 of the artists preferred xylophone and flute. So here you have what? 7 here. So this is the information on the Venn diagram. So here we are left with 2 unknowns. So let's represent them with A and B. So we've been able to illustrate the information on the Venn diagram. And the second question was find the number of artists who are interested in only 2 of the instruments, only 2. And from the Venn diagram, this portion represents only 2. This side, this, and this is for only 2. Because when you come here, this is for only violin and flute, this is for xylophone and flute, and this is for xylophone and violin, the A. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to calculate for A and B. Now, in calculating for A, let's take this circle, the xylophone circle, to calculate for A. So if you add everything in the circle, you should be able to equal to 24. So 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 24. So we are going to have A equal to 24 minus 8 minus 7 minus 4, which is A is equal to, if I have this plus this is 15, 19, so I'm going to have 5. Then in solving for B, I'll consider the flute circle. So here we are going to have 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus B equal to 16. So B will be equal to 16 minus this plus this 11, 13. So B is equal to 3. So here, this is 5 here and this is 3. So the artists that are interested in only 2 of the instruments. So artists that are interested in only 2 of the instruments. So artists that preferred only 2 of the instruments will be equal to 7 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 15. It means that 15 artists preferred only 2 of the instruments. And if you want to calculate the number of artists that preferred only 1 of the instruments, that one will also be 8 plus 2 plus 6, which is 16. So 8 plus 2 plus 6. So artists that preferred only 1 of the instruments is 8 plus 2, which is 10 plus 6, which is 16. So 16 of the artists preferred only 1 of the instruments. So thank you for watching Ken Tech 9060. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe for more updates. Thank you.